Hey guys, trying this out on my new phone, Galaxy S8 upgrade, because the other one was trashed. Anyway, this is the same as before, same circuit for the MagAmp, except I have 15 microfarads in series, 15 total in series with the hot wire and nothing else except for the two primary coils in series here. So we allow a lot more current to flow through there. I have one more capacitor in parallel on this as well. So there's also 15 here, and there's only one on this side. I've just been adding a couple to see if I can get more current to work in different parts of it. But anyway, took the self-defeater also. I've been playing around with this thing, getting it to drive this filament transformer down here, this HV deal. Anyway, and charging that 20 nanofarad bank and discharging it through 2 spark gaps. So definitely seeing an increase on output with multiple series spark gaps. And we're driving this and this and that. So right now, with just that much DC being applied to the rheostat, and then one leg off is going to the 2 cores over here, sort of. Anyway, as close as it used to be. And then this is open here, so this was my output one off the other side of the cores. So anyway, that's not hooked up anymore. This one's still hooked up. This one is hooked to the other side. So this is giving me my inductance on this side of the 15 microfarads. And then on this side is the high voltage transformer, these 2 yellow guys. So that's going directly to that deal, and it's underneath here. But so the interesting thing is that this is all the way down. So the voltage is 0, and I'm just going to bring it up just a tiny bit. And you can hear the volume increase. Slowly. It's a slow ramp. It's not equal to the resistance varying. The more and more I get up, now all of a sudden this magnetic avalanche is about to occur. You see it arced over through there. I can almost trigger it when I ground it, so it's still a little unstable. Hold on a minute. Let me get that better. I lost it. Here, it went back into rest mode. So I'm going to bring us just a hair more. Damn good output. Almost a good 3-inch arc. What happened? Get it to sustain long enough. Every time I turn away, it doesn't do it. So anyway, let me back this down a little bit. Turn the variac about halfway back down. It was up all the way because that's just what it's taken to get enough to drive that. So I definitely allowed a lot more current through, and I'm dissipating more power as a result. It's no longer really that efficient, but well, what's happening over here is more worth it. I was just trying to figure out different ways to disrupt the field here, and I'm using the self-defeater relay there across here, you know, or I just kick-started it with my hand. And so that's the base circuit. I can turn this down. Got buzzed by that. What was that? that self-defeater off for a minute. I'll hook these together. You can hear just a second harmonic slightly out of tune by varying this towards the very end of 0 volts. Just barely. Let's see here. So I can put the self-defeater in here and just a hair faster so you can hear it just slightly out of tune. See if I can get it to, none of this is precision. Kick that back off for a second. So down here, ironically, this 12 volts, or this proposed 22 volts, does a really good job of driving the high voltage transformer too, and it works in a little bit different fashion that way. So it's just interesting that this amount of power gets shoved into that transformer. It's stronger than I believe I've ever operated it with straight 120 volts, and this coil loves short impulse discharges. Doesn't like AC as much as it likes a quick pop of DC. I'll go ahead and turn off. Let me kill the high voltage transformer. Okay, here we go, right back to. Now that was a lot of power because of the extra current going to that speaker, but you can hear a tone change by varying that resistance. And then if I take the, let's see if this works. Let's put it back where it was causing trouble. There's another tone change that happens from it. Now we just put another smaller relay coil in parallel with that there, and now I can vary the tone. I can bring it all the way down, and it starts to oscillate, and it wiggles a little. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Actually has a beat vibration that's out of tune. I don't know if you can hear it, but right there it's right on. And then I'll turn it. Anyway, you can hear it tapping. Oh well. But yeah, pretty cool, huh? This MagAmp never ceases to surprise me. I can vary the voltage on the variac now once it's oscillating like that. I almost changed the time. Saturation slows it down, or varies the duty cycle almost. Yeah. It acts more like a duty. Let's turn it up. But as soon as I put that back on, obviously it goes to hell. I forget voltage.